thunderstorm warning for western Wilkes County in northwestern North Carolina, western Watauga County in northwestern North Carolina until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Blowing Rock, or just south of Boone, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Boone, Blowing Rock, Deep Gap, Todd, Blowing Rock in Caldwell County, Derby, and Vance. This includes the following location: Appalachian State University. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds, as well as deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Locally, heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility and result in ponding of water on roadways, standing water in low-lying areas, and minor flooding of creeks, streams, and areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and use extra caution to avoid hydroplaning. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Watauga and Wilkes. The National Weather Service in Green